The next thing that we want to work on is display all of the products that we have inside the home page. In order to do that, we will close the application and we will be working in the main application. We have Home Controller. Let me minimize everything else and also let me close all the tabs. We will open Home Controller and we want to display all the product. In order to get all the products, we have to use the product service that we created. So we will have to add that using dependency injection right here. Once we add that using dependency injection, we can create a list of product DTO to hold all of the products. This will be a new product DTO. Oops, I forgot to give it a name. Let me just call this list. Next thing is we need to call our product service. So we'll say variable response is equal to await underscore product service dot. We have the get all product async. The response type will be response DTO. We don't need any token because we want to just retrieve all the products. I know that inside the API we have a requirement that the user should be authorized, but we will remove that. Accessing all of the products does not need a user to be logged in. With that, we will check what the response is. If response is not null, and if response is successful, in that case, we will convert the response to a list of product DTO and assign that to our variable list. To convert, we will be using JSON convert.deserialize the object. What is the type in which we want to deserialize? That will be a list of product DTO. And then in order to deserialize, we will just convert it to string and we will pass the result which is inside response.result. So after the conversion is done and we assign that, when we return back to the view, we will return our list there. And we get an error because we need async method here. So we'll say async task of action result. With that in place, our controller action method looks good. In the next video, let me create the index view and proceed from there.